So somebody was like, there's nothing to do in Ghana, there's no opportunities in Ghana, and yes, you're just sitting down, just waiting, just sitting down and not doing anything. My sister, you don't want to do anything. Let me just tell you that you don't want to do anything. There are a lot of job opportunities in Ghana. If you are not lazy, you are going to make it in Ghana. Before you try traveling outside the country, you can be doing something. You don't have to be sitting down, okay? You can be doing something in Ghana. And I'm going to be sharing those job opportunities for you guys, okay? A lot of business ideas that you can start in Ghana here, okay? Yes, let's get into it. Have you heard of dropshipping? I know a lot of people have been talking about drop shipping, but you can actually drop ship anything, like anything sellable, anything at all that people are having shops in town and they are selling. If you don't have money to start that kind of business, nowadays who even owns a shop? People don't own a shop. A lot of people just have shops online, just have a shop online. You need to just have a shop online, and you need, a lot of people do sell. You can reach a whole wide world, okay, with that online shop of yours, than somebody who is having shop in town, than somebody who's having shop in your city. You can reach a whole wide world of people, a lot of people. You can reach 1 million people on social media if you have a shop online, okay? So you must have a shop, a physical shop, to be able to sell something, okay? And you must have physical cash to be able to sell something, or to be able to earn something. So far as you have your smartphone and you have data, since you have data and you are watching me right now, that means you can start something for yourself. Like people just sit down, well, they are like, they don't know what to do, they have nothing, and all the time they have their phones and they're watching videos, just entertainment video for themselves, okay? Just entertaining themselves. Meanwhile, they can use that phone and data to sell something for themselves also. Okay, so drop shipping, that is what I'm going to be talking about. Drop shipping is very, very, very lucrative, because I drop shipped a lot of things. I am jack of all trades, and of course you don't have to start being a jack of all trades. You can start from one thing to the other. You can start one thing at a time before you jump into the other thing, okay? So yes, drop shipping is the act of selling something online which does not belong to you, okay? So you can actually go meet suppliers. When you meet the suppliers, you take pictures and videos of those products that they are selling. Just come into an agreement with the supplier, the percentage that you will be getting if you are going to sell the product for them. There is another way of doing that. If only you are not going to be getting percentage from the suppliers, they will give you wholesale prices, and that is how you are going to make your profit from dropshipping, okay? They'll give you the wholesale prices, then you add your own profit and sell to your customer, okay? So there is another way. You might not meet the supplier and you might not meet the customer. That is the exact drop shipping that sometimes I do, and I do enjoy doing it seriously. So get those suppliers online, then get the customers also online, then you get the supplier to supply those goods to the customer. Of course, the money is going to be paid to you. Then you will pay the wholesale price to the supplier and take your profit, okay? So let's say that your supplier gives you this item for 50 Ghana cedis, okay? Let me don't even go there, because you guys would think drop shipping is just drop shipping small things. You can drop ship and then sell a whole expensive things, okay? Let's say that your supplier gives you this item of worth 2,000 Ghana cedis, and then which is the wholesale price, okay? And you are going to drop ship and sell that items for 2,500 Ghana cedis. So your customer is going to be paying 2,500 Ghana cedis into your account, and you are going to transfer 2,000 Ghana cedis to your supplier and get your supplier to deliver the item straight to your customer. You are not going to meet the supplier, and you are not going to meet the customer also. So you make sure that the goods gets to the customer successfully. The goods get delivered to the customer, successfully, and of course you are going to have your profit, okay? You transfer the 2,000 Ghana cedi to your supplier, and then keep your 500 Ghana cedi, which is your profit, okay? So mostly you can drop ship anything, okay? Just make sure you have an online shop. You can dropship anything. I'm telling you, you can dropship anything. you guys should be joking. I'm sure that those who are sitting and saying they have nothing to do, they don't actually have a problem. I one day I got up and I saw one young guy came to my doorstep and then greeted me. Oh my Ajia, please, I want money to go and buy breakfast. I'm like, look at you, strong man. Okay, so I won't tell you whether I gave to the young man or not, but I'm going to tell you that that young man can be able to do something for himself. Okay, even if you don't have a smartphone, go into the market and see what you can do to help people, and they are going to pay you. You are going to get paid for that. Okay, so I see no reason why a healthy young man or young lady will be sitting down and then not doing anything. So I'm going to be dropping a lot of business ideas videos on this channel. If you are new to this my channel, please subscribe. Even though I do a lot of cooking videos and then other stuffs, but of course I do talk about business also. So if you are interested in business, please subscribe and then click on the bell notification, so that anytime I upload a new video, you are going to get a notification from YouTube. Okay, so yes, as I was saying, that is just all about drop shipping. You are instantly going to get your profit if you get a customer to buy from your supplier. Yes, if you get a customer to buy from your supplier, you are instantly going to get your profit. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I am hoping to bring another another business ideas video on this platform. Keep watching. Thank you so much for watching, and then see you in my next video. Bye.